Poul's Kitchen is Chef Poul. With me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing a pretty quick video on rice pudding. It's one of our favorites and it's a very easy thing. So I made 6 cups of finished rice. Now my rice cooker, for 2 cups of rice, I can put that in and then I get 6 cups. So I've got 6 cups of milk. This is oat milk. So we're going to get this heated up pretty good here. Now I'm going to put some Truvia, which is a sugarless thing here, but
Sweetener.
But it is a sweetener, and it tastes really good. And then I've got some star anise, just to give it a little bit of different flavor. Amy likes black licorice.
Not my favorite, but I'll tolerate it.
Then we got some cinnamon. And I'm going to put a little bit of tagine in. If you don't know what tagine is, get it. It's amazing.
It's a Mexican spice.
Yeah. It's good for fruits and veggies. And it will have to do for rice because I really like it.
Yeah.
So we're going to stir this in here, and I'm actually going to turn the heat up. Now I use my rice cooker to do this. Now, as I probably said before, rinse your rice. Don't just throw it in, rinse it. Now Amy has to get ready for work very soon, so she's a little bit of a time crunch. So we're going to stir this up here, because as you can notice, rice can be a little clumpy.
Yeah.
But we want the spice and the sugar to
go through all of it.
Through all of it, not just one little bit, because that kind of sucks. Somebody gets a huge lumping thing of sugar. Now, if you're not diabetic, then you can actually just use real sugar. If you are diabetic, then don't use real sugar, because that's not the best thing for you. So this can take about 20 minutes of stirring and stuff to do. So it's not that big a deal. It's going to be pretty easy to do. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to leave this go, and then we'll be back when things are a little bit more ready to go further, because I don't want you to be in front of the camera for 20 minutes just watching us stir. But you do want to stir quite constantly. And once it's done, it's going to be more of a custard, more of a, not solid, but more liquid. But it's still going to be liquidy, but it's not going to have like all the milk like this. It's going to settle, and you'll see it more of a pudding type consistency. So pay attention to that. Don't just walk away and play your games or chat on your cell phone. Stir, pay attention to what you're doing, and I promise you this is going to be really, really good. Just be patient, keep stirring, get it all broken down. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button, and we'll be back very soon. And we're back, and we're done. It didn't take very long. It only took a few minutes. This is a good stove. Once I got things heated up really fast, and I put it back down to 5, and you're going to see here, it's a nice consistency. This is the consistency that I like.
Yeah.
I'm going to give Amy a little bit here. Open up. How's this taste?
I love it.
This is really good. So I'm going to take it right off the heat here. I'm going to turn power completely off. Now, what you want to let this cool all the way. It's to be eaten cold. In my opinion, anyways. I guess some people don't, but you should eat it cold. And so Amy wants to take some from work. So what she's going to do, she's going to put it in a good container, stick it in the fridge until she's ready to leave, and then put it in the fridge when she gets to work. By the time she's ready to eat,
It'll be yummy.
it'll be really good. This is easy. You just need milk, a few little things. I mean, I'm using star anise. You don't have to.
And you know what? I actually really like the flavor that the star anise gives it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Star anise is super healthy, so it's something you should have. You do need cinnamon. You do want a little bit of stevia, but if you're not diabetic, just use regular sugar.
Yeah.
And you're going to notice as this cools down, it's going to thicken up quite a bit too. And that's basically it. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. We really appreciate it. This is what Making Cooking Great Again is all about. Easy, easy, easy. Milk, rice, spice. That's it. Have a great day, guys.